Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Before I forget, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you would, please subscribe. Okay, today's about the 6th day of the 1982 G20 Chevy Remodel, and I'm installing the third out of 4 solar panels. So let's get this going. I have here some cutting oil. I have a step drill. However, you're getting a little dull, so I'll create a pilot hole here. This drill bit is almost new. I'm drilling through 3/16 steel. There we go. Drilling through steel at a slower rate is the best bet that I've found. Wood, not so much. There's the first step. I really like these step drill bits. Let's see if that's enough. I have these eye bolts left over. I thought I'd put them to use. There we go. Alrighty then. Went to the hardware store and bought some washers and some nuts, some lock washers. These flat washers that I just picked up are 9 cents a piece. 9 cents a piece. Well, guess what? I can make my own out of nickels. And of course, it's going to be a nickel a piece. So, keeping everything inexpensive as possible. Well, let me run and get my nuts and bolts that I just picked up from the hardware store. And so I'm out and about and I'm camping. I can tie off using these eye bolts and run a cord, and I can tarp from both sides. So can't have too many lines, you know, laundry, whatever. So anyway, that's the update. And thanks for checking in. Thumbs up, And please subscribe. Tell a friend. I hope to be done attaching these solar panels today. Then I can go back to making my passenger seat swivel. I have all the materials to do that. I started on it, but I wanted to get these solar panels done while the weather was working with me. So, okay, adios. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.